हाय एवरीवन, जो मैं अभी बताने वाला हूँ ये एक गवर्नमेंट का वाप है जो हर मोबाइल के अंदर ये होना ही चाहिए, क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट ने हमारे लिए जो हमारी प्राइवेसी सिक्योरिटी को लेके ये वाप बनाया हुआ है। आज 6 तरीके से हमारी प्राइवेसी को लेके बहुत ही सिक्योरिटी रखता है। जो हमारी प्राइवेसी जो होता है, पर्सनली प्राइवेसी, उसे बहुत ही सिक्योरिटी रखता है।
अपनी प्ले स्टोर में आना, प्ले स्टोर में आने के बाद सर्च आइकन में सर्च करना एम कवच 2। यहाँ पे आ गया, उसे इंस्टॉल कर देना। समझ लेना यहाँ पे ये क्या बोल रहे हैं।
M Kavach 2. India has witnessed tremendous growth in smartphone usage in the last decade. Currently, there are around 750 million smartphone users in the country. Smartphone penetration has given a big boost to mobile-based commerce, banking and finance, governance, social networking, and many more. This has led to the storage of huge volumes of personal and financial data onto these devices, and thus making them the primary target of hackers. Many users fall prey to financial frauds, leakage of personal data, installation of unwanted apps, overusage of mobile data, and many more. To address these threats, CDAC has developed Kavach 2, a mobile device security solution supporting popular Android versions. Kavach 2 scans for security misconfigurations in the devices and provides advisories related to locking the device, password protection, notification settings to avoid leakage of OTPs, etc. This helps in optimizing and boosting the security and privacy posture of the device. Further, the Threat Analyzer feature helps in detecting and mitigating threats related to dangerous apps that may be capable of stealing sensitive user data, leading to financial frauds. Kavach 2 also gives advisories on regularly updating apps so that the apps on the devices have the latest security fixes. It also prompts for removal of unused apps and alerts the users to uninstall any applications banned by the Government of India, which are harmful to the privacy and security of Indian citizens. Kavach 2, with its rich feature set, aids in building a secure mobile ecosystem in the country by making users' devices a better platform for mobile governance, mobile commerce, mobile payments, and so on.
इसमें समझ में नहीं आएगा तो मुझे कमेंट करना, कमेंट बॉक्स में जितना ज़्यादा होगा कमेंट उतना अच्छा होगा और मैं वीडियो बना लूँगा।